Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of one of the most influential figures in global politics, Narendra Modi. Love him or hate him, there's no denying that his story is one worth exploring. Narendra Modi, the current Prime Minister of India, is a man of many faces. Some see him as a visionary leader, bringing about much-needed change and development to the country. Others see him as a polarizing figure, with his policies and decisions sparking heated debates and controversies. Born on September 17, 1950, in Vadnagar, a small town in Gujarat, Modi's early life was marked by struggles and hardships. He came from a humble background, the son of a tea seller, and had to work hard to make a name for himself. Modi's entry into politics was not smooth either, facing opposition and criticism at every step. But Modi was determined to succeed, and he did. Rising through the ranks of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, RSS, a right-wing Hindu nationalist organization, Modi eventually joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, and became the Chief Minister of Gujarat in 2001. Modi's tenure as Chief Minister was marked by both praise and criticism. On one hand, he was credited with bringing about economic growth and development in the state, turning Gujarat into a model of progress. On the other hand, he was accused of turning a blind eye to the 2002 Gujarat riots, in which hundreds of people, mostly Muslims, were killed. Despite the controversies surrounding him, Modi's popularity only grew. In 2014, he led the BJP to a historic victory in the general elections, becoming the Prime Minister of India. His campaign slogan, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Together with All, Development for All, resonated with the masses, promising inclusive growth and prosperity for all. Since taking office, Modi has implemented a number of ambitious initiatives, such as Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Clean India Mission, Make in India, and Digital India, aimed at transforming the country and improving the lives of its citizens. He has also taken a tough stance on national security, particularly in dealing with threats from neighboring countries. But Modi's tenure has not been without its challenges. His decision to demonetize high-value currency notes in 2016, in an effort to curb corruption and black money, was met with mixed reactions, with many criticizing the move for its impact on the economy. His government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic has also come under scrutiny, with some accusing him of mismanagement and lack of preparedness. On the global stage, Narendra Modi has been a key player in international diplomacy. His efforts to strengthen ties with countries like the United States, Israel, and Japan have not gone unnoticed. But his foreign policy decisions have also faced scrutiny, especially regarding border disputes and human rights issues. Despite these criticisms, Modi remains a popular figure in Indian politics, with a strong base of supporters who see him as a strong and decisive leader. His ability to connect with the masses, through his powerful oratory and social media presence, has helped him maintain his popularity and influence. As Modi looks towards the future, his focus remains on transforming India into a global superpower, with a strong economy, modern infrastructure, and a skilled workforce. His vision for a new India is ambitious, but with his determination and leadership, many believe that he can make it a reality. In conclusion, Narendra Modi is a complex and controversial figure, with a mix of admirers and detractors. His rise from humble beginnings to the highest office in the land is a testament to his hard work and perseverance. Whether he will be remembered as a transformative leader or a divisive figure remains to be seen, but one thing is certain: Narendra Modi has left an indelible mark on Indian politics and society. Love him or hate him, Narendra Modi has undeniably left a mark on Indian politics and society. As we continue to witness his leadership in action, one thing is certain: his legacy will be remembered for years to come. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the world of Narendra Modi. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed and stay curious.